Here we are, Friends Mystery of the Lamp. Really big grand. It hasn't been one for a long time. Decent sized major. So we're gonna try our darndest to make some magic happen. Hello Kitty Tigers. And start with 100. Let's start with $2.40 bets. Okay. So there's an ashtray over here that's getting in our way. Okay, let's move that. All right. So none of these are super big, but kind of like the other, like the firecracker games. You know, those are kind of just there for an optical illusion. Oh? Hello? Not yet. It would be a very nice day to win this massive grand. Or did it pop? It's not letting me spin. The machine. Oh my god, I was betting $24. I was betting $24. I pushed 1 cent. Imagine if it popped on $24. I pushed 1 cent. It's been.
It was on $1.
It was on $1. I was like,
Here.
I pushed 1 cent to start. We have $16 left, and that imagine if that would have popped. Okay, let's see if this actually messes with the machine. So that was 3 magical spins. Did we get a line hit in there? I have to rewatch this, but okay, that's an interesting mistake. I literally pushed 1 cent.
You're on $16.
Now I have $16. Okay, now we're betting $2.40, I guess. Oh my god, look at that. Is it gonna just go? That was the most expensive. So it has $75 on 3 spins. Okay, people, that is why you really check your machine. Have you seen those videos on Instagram or whatever where the people were like, oh, I didn't know I was max betting and I won like a grand jackpot? That would have been nice for that to happen right now. That was literally a mistake. Oh, 5 of a kind, huge. Do we get a,
nice on the bigger bet.
that would have been a hand pay on that bigger bet for sure. So now let's see if this is a new technique. If the betting humongous to start like will now just like kind of mess with the machine. Let's see. That was ridiculous. Okay, it's nice to have recouped some of the money. That was not staged. It was $75, 3 spins. Imagine if the boost just popped and we would have been so shocked. That would have been an absolutely amazing start to this video. I mean, it still was in some ways. Oh, come on now.
So the person before us was doing $1?
I think so. How's it gonna go? I don't know what they were on, but I literally pushed one. I put the dollar in, I pulled out our camera, did all that stuff, and then.
And you're like, did it pop? It's not moving.
Yeah, exactly. Because the button wasn't spinning. I thought we had like a grand jackpot or something. I kept pushing spin. We can't be out of money after $7. It was $75. Go on. Yes? No. Oh my goodness, that was so funny.
I didn't even realize.
Yeah. I mean, this is why we check our bets before. We're still on the same 100 somehow. Not for that much longer. Come on. Do it. Oh my god, imagine if that did that. That would have been like one of those times. I didn't know I was max betting. That was genuinely what happened. Okay. Let's see, I got 151 points this thing. Okay, activate slot play. Alright guys, don't want to see my very important code. I think you guys saw it, right? It was there's a lot of money inside of here. 15 bucks. Oh my god, people, that was so funny. We didn't even get like half of our bet back because of the free play, but we got some player points? I don't know. That was craziness. Whoops. Okay. Well. Oh, come on. No. Bonus win 160. I don't know how much more we have left. Oh, come on. Do. Yes. No. We made it nice and juicy with that huge, did we get 9s, it looks like. We made it nice and juicy with those $24 bets. I mean, that was an interesting way to start a video. Now we have to get our revenge. Is this the time for our revenge? yes. No. They're nice and big though. Oh my god, people, that was so funny. It's funny we can laugh about like blowing $75 just like, right? Kitties. Oh. Okay. We're not getting much in the way of gems.
Because someone's
So wifey said, you spent all my money on those few spins. Hey, it was for, okay. I was gonna put in a lucky $5 now. Okay, we might have to go to the ATM because we didn't know what was happening there. That was our fault. That was my fault. And
not my fault.
do you hear her? Yes. No.
The winnings are ours, but your mistakes are yours.
Oh, yeah. So did you hear that, people? So the winnings are ours, but the mistakes are my own, she says. I think that's fair. I think that's kind of, it makes sense, right? Okay. Is that going in? My goodness. What silliness. So we got one gem during those $24 spins. It was a green one too, so I like if that one popped. That's a mistake that cost us a lot of money. Cost us a lot of spins. Instead of getting like 30 spins, we had 3 spins with those bets. I was trying to go $2.40, but it was on $1 denomination in our nation. That's not good. Some swords. Okay. So I have 2 more at 160, and then we'll reevaluate our lives. Last chance. Okay. So that was hilarious, kind of, not that much, but we lost some money unexpectedly. Might have happened either way, but now we'll go find another machine and we'll be back, people. Thanks for watching.